Riquísimo. Igualito a la de Cuba. Me tienen que pasar la receta.
No.
Mhm.
The only thing we can do.
¿Cómo que no?
Sorry, it's our recipe.
Delicious.
No.
Mhm.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Aileen and today is a very special day for me because today is my birthday! Woo! Happy birthday! Thank you. Voila. So let's continue. This is Ian, Chef Ian. And today we're going to be making some Cuban pizzas. So now the kitchen rules. I am so happy and excited because I'm 10 now. 10. So now the most important, the kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your working areas clean if you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is happy birthday! Okay, that's not it, but let's try again. Okay, wait, I want to see what's in here first. Are you kidding me, Ian? Hand sanitizer. Stay safe. Yeah. Okay, so now let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is set the fuss. Bam! So now let's get cooking. Yay! Birthday! Woo! Okay, guys. So now these are the ingredients. Make sure you have. We're gonna need our flour, our oil, our sugar, some warm water, our yeast, a bowl to put everything when we're done, and we're gonna need pans to put everything, like our pizza. And we got these from Walmart. You can also get some from the 99-cent store. We have some. We're not using them this time, but still, we have them. There they are. And continue.
So we're gonna need ham, pepperoni, and cheese for our topping. We're gonna need oil to put in our bowl when we put our dough. Then we're gonna need tomato sauce and sugar and sour sauce.
Yeah.
And we need a whisk. Thanks,
A
Mama.
whisk? Okay, let's just go. I already put the sugar in. I'm gonna put the. Okay, I'm gonna put the yeast.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
I'm going to put the oil and then the warm water. And I'm gonna mix it all together.
Okay, so this is how you're gonna make your sauce. You're gonna put your sugar in your tomato sauce. The pizza we tasted in Cuba was like sweet, salty that our grandpa made. So you're just gonna mix it until the sugar gets dissolved with the tomato sauce.
He's doing pretty good. So I'm gonna get all of the flour into the dough, mixing it all up. So I'm putting the dough in here. Ian, can you help me?
You have to put it in the middle. Get some flour.
We're gonna speed it up. So we're back. Your pizza dough is going to be sticky because Cuban pizza dough is sticky. So don't freak out if it's sticky. It should be like that.
If it's dry, just add some more water.
Yeah. So we're gonna put it in our bowl. Wait, let me make a ball. So we're gonna put it in here and cover it up with our. So we're gonna leave it in the towel like this for 20 minutes
On the stove.
Yes. So. Bye. So we removed it from the warm place. We're gonna get it out. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So now when we're done getting our dough, we're gonna get some oil and put it around.
Yeah, so too much probably, but so you don't make the same mistake I did. You have to put oil in the bowl and then put your dough so it won't get stuck. So put some flour. Then I can do this. So now it won't get stuck on here.
So you don't want to put too much flour because it's gonna get it dry.
Yeah.
And we want it sticky.
So I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Get the scissors.
Okay, so since I put way too much oil, if you put way too much oil, you're gonna get a paper towel and just
I'm gonna cut it in half.
plait it to get all of the extra oil.
Yep, and make sure you don't roll your dough too much because then it's gonna shrink.
So you're gonna get your piece
Thank you.
and you're gonna put it in your.
Okay, so you don't want to put too much flour because you're gonna tell. Because when you put your dough on here, it's gonna start shrinking back in.
Like this. You see, I'm gonna push this down. It's gonna go back up.
So that's how you know if you put too much flour. So after you do this, you're gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can just go straight to putting the stuff on and bake it. Okay, so the oil is gonna help your dough not stick to the pan, and it's gonna help it get crispy.
And you have to push it all
The way to the edge.
the way to the edge so it can actually form the crust on the outside.
So now we're gonna cover it and leave it for 10 minutes.
It was mine.
Oh, we'll put them together. Not like that, so we can cover it like this again. Twink. So we're done with the 10 minutes of this thingy. So now we're gonna put our ingredients. It looks like this. It got poofed out. So we're gonna put our
In Cuba, they don't really add too much sauce.
tomato sauce. Yeah.
Tomato sauce. And then you add your toppings, but they put the cheese on top, and so it can get all crispy on the outside.
Okay, guys. So we're done with the tomato sauce. Now we're gonna put our toppings. Oh wait, and then the cheese.
Then
Where's
more.
the ham, Ian?
Smiley face.
Wait, I want to try too. What are you doing, Ian?
Not talking my cheese.
Remember, Ian has to get all the way to the edges.
Crispy. Now I'm gonna make some crispy.
So it is done. Okay, so we're gonna bake our our Cuban pizzas at 425 for 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese melts, and the cheese has to be all on the edges. Is yours on the edges, Ian?
Yep. Nope.
Okay, so we'll see you when they're done. So this is how our homemade Cuban pizza looks. The crust should be cheesy. That's what we did with the cheese. So this is how our Cuban homemade pizzas look. Also, translation, pizza casera. So in Cuba, we ordered a pizza and we were expecting a plate, and they gave us it wrapped in a piece of paper, basically. And then
So you're just gonna roll it up
like these.
and then you bite.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Mamma mia. Mmm.
Buongiorno.
Mmm. Mmm.
Fine. Make sure you subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up and ring
Ring
the
the
bell.
bell.
Ding! I hope you put a smile on your face. Bye-bye.
Mmm.
Mmm. So cheesy.